Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new canvas with the exact size and DPI you need. This sets your working resolution. Once done, enable pressure sensitivity for a stylus and adjust smoothing so lines feel natural. Make a first layer named Sketch and lock any background you don't want to alter. Save a versioned copy now so changes are reversible. This prevents lost work. From here, you're ready to sketch directly. Keep strokes loose to refine later. Now refine the composition by tracing your loose sketch on a fresh layer. Reduce the sketch opacity to 30 to 50% so it guides without dominating. Create dedicated layers for linear, base color, shading, and highlights, and group them to stay organized. Choose brushes for purpose: flat brushes for blocking, textured brushes for variation, and small round brushes for details. Use layer masks rather than erasing to keep edits non-destructive. To finish, create merged copies of visible layers for final edits while retaining the full, layered master file. Apply global adjustments like color balance, curves, and sharpening, then resize to export dimensions. Make sure resampling settings match your intent. Export in required formats and label files clearly. If something goes wrong, pause, verify layer visibility and opacity, reset any altered brush presets, and reopen an autosave or earlier version. This sequence keeps you from losing progress and helps recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.